Right now. Oh, and they're opening. Yep, let's go. So tiny. There. So we did the model and put the model on the USB. Oh, it even shows the model. Printing. So now it's gonna take a while for us to warm up and then it's gonna start printing. Exciting. Okay, so we are currently checking if the second model, which is a much bigger one and consists of multiple parts, will fit into our time slot. So he's just making a few little adjustments, I think. What are you doing? Placement adjustments, okay. And then we'll check inside of the computer here in the library to see how long it will take. Oh, we got 8 hours. How many things do we want to print? We have this.
3.
3 in total?
This included.
This included, okay. And then we'll have to see if we need to make any adjustments for what we're printing currently, because that one is more important than the others, right? Yeah. So this one is just for fun. It's a T-Rex head that he can then put on the stand. Mm-hmm. Would be so cool to have. Later on, honestly.
It does look fucking nice.
Yeah, it really does.
Okay.
All right. How long do you think it will take?
4 hours.
4 hours? Okay. I see your 4 hours and I raise you another hour. I think it's gonna be 5. You did, yeah, with support, definitely. This thing.
Yeah, the support
Yeah.
will take a long time.
This thing is like 20 centimeters.
Yeah, with the support, it's probably 6 hours.
6 hours? Okay, if you think 6 hours, I'll say 6 hours and 20 minutes. I want to win. 11 hours, almost 12 hours. Yeah, maybe it should be a bit smaller.
Okay, but yeah, we can do this. It's 3 hours.
3 hours. Okay, but how big is this then? Wait, 3 hours 57. That's 4 hours.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, you have to round up, not down.
Yeah, okay, but still, eh? And then we do the slice, and I just make it. If we have time, I can.
Yeah.
Print.
Yeah. Alright, so now we wait. We have at least an hour to kill. This library is so beautiful. Okay, there's an event going on right next to it. Why is the music so calm? These are firefighters. I would expect like dun 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 dun. See, this is the music I expected with firefighters. I see ice cream. So excited. Oh my god, no. Ooh.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Huh?
Yeah?
Huh?
Nice. It looks crispy. Okay, now let's get my ice cream. Could I have a corn with the mango melon? Oh, you know what? It tastes like
Mango?
a mango yogurt.
Oh.
Not bad at all. So he won. It was king against king, and he still had 2 pawns and 3 pawns. Okay. And I just had my king.
2 books.
No, we're going back upstairs for just to check on our
Both
3D.
suck.
We both, yeah, we both suck at chess so bad. But yeah, we're going to go. Why do I look like a thumb? Look, this is my head right now. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, got it. Okay. It was a struggle, but we got it. Can you turn it?
No.
No,
You see it.
it doesn't.
It's
Okay. It is noon right now, so we are out to go and eat. We're in the center. I mean, Campi is right there. No, it's right to the right. The city center is in front of us, so there's a lot of options. And I'm actually a little hungry. Not super hungry. We have a workspace that we rented at 1:30, so we have an hour and a half before we can get there and get some work done. It's the first time we're renting it actually, so it'll be cool. It's also right next to the 3D printers, so we're very close, so we can still keep an eye on everything. This is really good. Oh, it's missing tequila. We're going now back to the library because in 20 minutes we will have our own workspace and you have to be on time. If you arrive 15 minutes late, they might just like cancel it. So I don't know if they will because they're so chill there, but you never know. Okay, that's fine. So we are now in our little booth. You can sit here with up to 3 people, and it's just literally a table and 3 chairs and some like outlets for your computer. It's a bit soundproof, but not 100%. like we can still hear other people, but it's not bad. It's actually quite nice. And now we're able to sit down, relax, do some work, and all the while look at our 3D models that are being printed. My husband is currently like making some modifications on the 3D model that we make, because this is supposed to be able to turn, but it's like stuck. It fits too well. But now if we turn it, you can see, well, maybe you can't see, but I can see that it's kind of starting to bend a little. For those who are wondering what we made, this is the T-Rex head. It actually looks really cool. Kind of clicks as well, which is really cool. We're now going to the top floor. Oh, it's already so much brighter. So beautiful. I'm gonna go for a drink at the cafe inside of the library. Oh, it looks so beautiful outside. Yes, and cold brew with oat milk. Yummy.
And unfortunately only 15 minutes left. Okay.
Well, the printer was empty, so this is what we got. Everything is just ruined. The only thing we can do is put it in warm water and then just kind of take off these pieces. That concludes our day at the library. We're going home now because our dog has been alone for far too long. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're ever in Helsinki, this is one of my favorite places. The library, Oodi Library, love it. I wish I had something like this growing up.